want the life you dream of, you have to rewire your mind to think differently, act differently, and become a different person. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to reprogram your brain, your habits, and your mindset for total control. Because once you change your mind, you change your entire life. Part 1. The brutal truth. Who you are isn't enough. The first step to rewiring your mind is accepting a hard truth. Who you are right now isn't enough to achieve the life you want. If it were, you'd already have everything you desire. This isn't meant to insult you. It's an invitation to grow. The sooner you acknowledge this, the sooner you can start making real changes. Think of it like this. You're trying to win a high-stakes race with an engine that's not yet built for it. Your current mindset, habits, and routines are keeping you stuck at the starting line. If you want to reach your destination, you need to upgrade the way you think and act. You need to dismantle the old thought patterns that keep you comfortable and build new ones that push you toward greatness. Most people cling to the idea that they're good enough because it's comforting. But comfort kills progress. Growth only happens when you challenge yourself and confront your weaknesses. It takes courage to admit that your current self isn't capable of achieving the life you want. But that admission is powerful because it opens the door for transformation. As Socrates said, the unexamined life is not worth living. If you refuse to examine who you are and where you're falling short, you're choosing to stay stuck. Self-reflection isn't about beating yourself up. It's about recognizing the gaps so you can close them. Ask yourself, am I the kind of person who deserves the life I dream of? If the answer is no, that's okay. You now know what you need to change. Take an honest inventory of your life. Write down 2 columns. On the left, list where you are right now, your habits, routines, mindset, and achievements. On the right, write down where you want to be, the goals you want to hit, the person you want to become, and the life you envision. Acknowledge the gap between those 2 columns. Understand that the current version of you needs an upgrade to bridge that gap. This isn't a defeat. It's the starting point of your journey. Once you accept this, you'll be ready to start the process of rewiring your mind and building a better you. Part 2. Imagine your ideal self in action. Now that you've acknowledged who you are isn't enough, it's time to take visualization further. Don't just see your future self standing still. See them in motion. Imagine that version of you going through their day. What time do they wake up? How do they approach their tasks? What choices do they make when things get difficult? Focus on the details of their behavior. How do they react under pressure? How do they handle distractions, setbacks, or fatigue? What kind of confidence do they project when they walk into a room? When you visualize your ideal self, don't just see their achievements, see the process and discipline that led them there. If you want to rewire your mind, you have to build a detailed mental picture of not just what you want, but how that version of you operates. Because the life you want isn't handed to you, it's earned through your daily actions and mindset. If you can see that person clearly, you'll have a roadmap to follow. Aristotle said, "We are what we repeatedly do." Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Your future self is the product of your habits and daily routines. Visualize not just the end result, but the consistent actions that lead to it. Take 15 minutes and imagine a perfect day in the life of your ideal self. What does their morning routine look like? How do they tackle their work or training? How do they end the day? Write down these actions in detail. This exercise helps you internalize the behaviors and routines that align with your goals. Once you've created this mental blueprint, compare it to your current routine. Where are the gaps? What daily actions are missing? Identify just one habit from your ideal self's routine and start implementing it tomorrow. Every time you act in alignment with your vision, you're rewiring your mind. You're telling yourself, this is who I am now. And step by step, that vision becomes your reality. Part 3. Learn from those on the path. Once you visualize the person you want to become, the next step is to find real-world examples of people walking the same path. But here's the catch. Not everyone who looks successful is worth following. The world is full of fakes, gurus, and people who only show you the highlight reel. To truly rewire your mind, you need to learn from those who are documenting their journey, people who are honest about their struggles, failures, and victories. Look for those who are in the trenches actively doing the hard work. These are the people who share the reality of the process, not just the end result. Then, identify those who have already reached the destination you want and compare their paths. Do they align? Are their stories consistent with the grind you see from people still on the way up? If they are, those are the mentors you can trust. Why does this matter? Because success leaves clues, but only if you're looking in the right places. You can save years of frustration by learning from their mistakes instead of making those mistakes yourself. As the saying goes, a smart man learns from his mistakes, but a wise man learns from the mistakes of others. Seneca said, "We are all apprentices in a craft where no one becomes a master. No one achieves greatness alone. Learning from those who've walked the path before you accelerates your growth and helps you avoid unnecessary pitfalls. Find 5 people who are on the journey you want to take. Follow their content, read their books, watch their videos, whatever it takes to understand their path. Then, list out the mistakes they made and the strategies they used to succeed. Learn from their experiences and start applying those lessons to your own life. By studying those who are actively growing and those who have already made it, you create a blueprint for your transformation. The goal isn't to copy them, but to adapt their principles to your unique path. This approach rewires your mind by replacing uncertainty with clear, actionable steps. The journey is clearer than you think. You just need to follow the right footprints. Part 4. Confront your mind and build new habits. Your mind already knows what you need to do. Get fitter, eat healthier, cut out distractions, and develop discipline. But knowing isn't the problem. The problem is that your mind clings to comfort. It will do everything it can to keep you safe, cozy, and stuck. If you want to rewire your brain, you have to confront this resistance daily and enforce the habits you know will transform you. The truth is, the mind is like a rebellious child. It will kick, scream, and argue when you try to make it do something hard. It'll tell you, skip the workout today, or you can start the diet tomorrow. But growth only happens when you face that resistance head on and push through it. For me, I know the habits that make a difference. Taking cold showers to shock my system awake, getting sunlight early in the morning to reset my brain, going to jujitsu to build mental and physical toughness, and working in focused time blocks to maximize productivity. These habits are uncomfortable. They demand effort, but they're also the habits that transform me. The mind will try to avoid these hard things. It will seek comfort, distraction, and cheap dopamine. But as Epictetus said, no man is free who is not master of himself. True freedom comes from taking control of your mind and enforcing the habits that lead to growth. Mastering your mind means doing what's necessary, not what's easy. Write down the habits you know you need to adopt. Don't lie to yourself. You already know what they are. Maybe it's waking up earlier, cutting out junk food, eliminating distractions, or exercising daily. Start with just 2 or 3 habits and commit to them every day. No excuses. Track your progress. Every time you follow through, you weaken your mind's resistance and build momentum. The more you confront your mind and enforce these habits, the easier it gets. Over time, these hard things become part of who you are, and that's when real transformation happens. Part 5. Focus on the 20% that gets 80% of results. Rewiring your mind isn't just about doing more. It's about doing what actually matters. Most people stay busy but never get anywhere because they're stuck doing the wrong things. They mistake activity for progress. The Pareto principle reveals the truth. 20% of your efforts produce 80% of your results. If you want total control over your mind and life, you need to identify the essential 20% and eliminate the rest. Think of your life like a cluttered room. The floor is covered in distractions, shallow tasks, fake friends, mindless scrolling, and meaningless goals. These things keep you busy, but they don't move you forward. To make real progress, you have to clear out the clutter and focus on what drives the most impact. For me, that essential 20% is crystal clear. Focusing on my health, sticking to disciplined routines, and committing to deep, uninterrupted work sessions. When I prioritize these, everything else falls into place. My mind is sharper, my body is stronger, and my goals become achievable. On the flip side, things like gossip, endless social media scrolling, and pointless activities drain my energy and offer nothing in return. The truth is, your mind knows what you need to focus on. You don't need another productivity hack. You need to cut the noise. Every distraction you eliminate frees up energy for what really matters. As Bruce Lee said, it is not a daily increase, but a daily decrease. Hack away at the unessential. Imagine a sculptor chipping away at a block of marble. By removing the unnecessary parts, they reveal a masterpiece. You need to do the same with your life. Hack away at distractions, unproductive tasks, and energy-draining habits until only the essential remains. Take a hard look at your daily routine and identify the 20% of tasks that bring you closer to your goals. Maybe it's working out, building your business, studying, or mastering a skill. Write those down. Then, list the 80% of tasks that are wasting your time: shallow work, mindless entertainment, toxic relationships, and start cutting them out. Prioritize what truly matters and protect it fiercely. When you focus your energy on the essential 20%, you rewire your mind for efficiency, clarity, and success. Less noise, more results. If you're ready to master your mind and transform your life, subscribe for more insights and strategies. Like the video if you're committed to this journey, and comment below the first step you're going to take. Your mind is the most powerful tool you have. Rewire it, and the rest will follow.